Hi, it's Pan from RAUBAY. Many content creators face the same problem when filming talking head videos. You want that pro studio look, but you don't have the budget or the space. And the lighting, the set, it's all just too expensive. But is there a way to shoot professional talking videos at a low cost? Sure. Today let's talking about using AI technology and a green screen to build the ultimate low-cost solution. In the past, when we used the green screens, the hard part usually wasn't the key, it was the lighting. For example, you'd pick a background first, then struggle to match your lights to it. The whole process really depends on the photographer's experience, because even a little difference in lighting ratio can make the final result look fake. But now AI has turned that around. Instead of person adapts to background, it's now background adapts to person. AI can analyze the lighting on your subject and automatically generate a background that matches it perfectly. This means lower cost, higher efficiency, and most importantly, with just a green screen and some lights, you can easily get a cinematic quality. There are quite a few AI image generation tools on the market now. And among them, Google's Nano Banana is incredibly powerful. It's not only super consistent and great for precision editing, but even with just a few basic features, you can generate high-quality scene images in no time. What's more, the best part is, you can communicate with it naturally. Just describe what you want, make adjustments step by step, and it responds like a real designer. Simple, efficient, and perfect for creating green screen videos. Next, let's break down the AI workflow. Step 1. Before generating the background, we first need to set up the lighting. In this workflow, our only job is to make the subject look good. The background lighting will be handled by AI. This means no more repeatedly tweaking lights just to match a background. Super simple and much more efficient. Step 2. Open an AI tool like Nano Banana and describe the scene you want. It could be a hotel room, a wooden cabin, a space station, or anywhere else. Just emphasize that the scene needs to match the subject's lighting in detail. Step 3. Once you have got a satisfied background, just ask the Nano Banana to remove the person from the generated image. Boom! Now you have got the perfect custom background. All the prep work is done. Then, when you key yourself out of the green screen and place this footage over the AI-generated background, benefiting from the perfect light, your talking head video instantly becomes very professional. Imagine, a simple layer of overlay already produces such good results. There's no doubt this solution's potential is truly unimaginable. With AI and a simple green screen, you can cut costs and massively speed up your production. And the best part, you can do it right now. Whether you are a content creator, a short-form video maker, or just getting started. Once you learn this workflow, you'll be able to create professional talking head videos on a very small budget. That's just the beginning, and the future of creation is only gonna get easier and easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.